Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Since I couldn't take the cover off my other scooter, I'm gonna take it off of this one and try to explain a little bit better about that converter, how to connect it, where to connect it to. See if you can see this. Can you see it? This one's for the deck lights. Black, red, white. All right, so this white wire right here plays as a switch. It tells the light when to turn on and when to turn off. So without this, lights ain't gonna work. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna tie that to the ground wire, and that's it. You can test it out like this, watch. Just using a regular battery, you can test it out. I mean, for any reason, if you want to see if your lights work or not. So on that scooter, the converter's right here. The input, you're gonna put the battery. Output of the converter is that's where you're gonna put these at. But make sure these two wires are connected, or else the fucking lights ain't gonna work. That's it. Anything else, just holler at me, let me know. I'll get back at you.